In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Kraken company account. So make sure you are on the official website of Kraken. So on the upper right corner, click the sign up button and then you'll be redirected to the create a personal account page. So in here, we have a two option, which is personal and business. Now to create a company account, click on the business and in here, you'll need to input an email and password. So first, make sure your email is a existing account in Gmail. So for the password, make sure you have a 12 characters together with one number and a special number and a letter. After that, just simply click this button and then go to your Gmail to check for the activation code that you will need to input to the verification process here in Kraken. So as you can see in here, they will send you a activation code that you can input to that. So paste it in here and then click the activate account and then wait for it to load up. And now in here, you'll need to prepare for your application. So make sure your application or business documents are ready in order to verify fast here in Kraken. So in here, you'll need to input your business informations together with the street address and its name. And make sure you finish this form or fill up this form in order to proceed to the next verifications. And that's it. So make sure you finish all of this form in order to verify and successfully create an account here in Kraken. And that's it. Make sure you have a company documents and a company structure together with a 2FA. And that's it. That's how to create a Kraken company account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.